This is Ducky the duck. We are going to learn about area. Last time we already learned about perimeter. What is perimeter? It is the distance around a figure. Now how about area? Last time I already reviewed a bit. Area is the number of units needed to cover the surface. The number of units needed to cover the surface. For example, like this. The yellow part is the area, the one that is covering the surface of this square. Now take a look. On the square, there is information 1 centimeter. So the length of this square is 1 centimeter. Over here is also 1 centimeter. So the area of a 1 centimeter square is this one. Miss Yuni, how do you read this number 1 centimeter 2? No, you read it as 1 square centimeter. So this 2 is actually square. So you read it as 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter. Or like this. So how about this one? This figure, the shape is a square and the length is 1 meter over here, 1 meter over here. It means 1 meter is the side. So if the area of a 1 meter square is this one. Again, it's similar with the one that you learned before, 1 square centimeter. This one is also. You read the number 2 here as square. So 1 square meter. 1 square meter. So the area of a 1 meter square is 1 square meter. So what is the area of this figure? We have to count it. Remember, this one is 1 square. This is 1 centimeter grid. So we count it 1, 2, 3, 4 square centimeter. How about this one? What is the area of this figure? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15 square centimeter. Remember that 2 half square unit equals to 1 square unit. So if the green part here is half, half plus half is 1. How about this one? These shapes, the shaded part is half of a rectangle. Half of the rectangle. So how do we count it? How do we count it? Take a look. This one is only this part, but this one is very small. How do we count it? We count it like this. The shaded part is actually half of a rectangle. So if I make the same rectangle here, and I make half of it, it's actually 1 square. So half of this rectangle is actually 1 square. Do you understand? How about this one then? How many square is it? We know that this is 1. But how about this one? This one? Very small. This one is also very small. So how do we count it? Now, all you got to do, you change this triangle into a rectangle like this. And then half of the rectangle, you change it like this. So, how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So, this triangle is actually 3. 3 squares. Again, how do you count it? If you cannot make or cannot draw it like this, you just count this one. Imagine that this one is a 4 rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2, since half of it, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Do you understand? I repeat, if later you cannot draw it like this, you can imagine it. This triangle is part of a rectangle, like this. So you have to count how many square is it in the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and divide by 2 equals to 3. So this triangle is actually 3 squares or 3 square centimeter. Now how about this shape? Okay, we can see here that this is one full square. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This one also 1. This one also 1. But how about this one? It's small. You can see that this is one square and it's only half of it. Half and half is 1. Half and half is 1. So if I color it with different color, it will be like this. So how many square centimeter is it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 full square and then 9, 10. So it's 10 square centimeters. Do you understand? Okay, next question. How about this one? This is letter Y, just like my name. Okay, now on this question, we can see that there are many squares, but there is this one. It's a triangle. A triangle. Half and half is 1. Half and half is 1. Half and half is 1. Or like this. So it's easier for you to see. Take a look. How many full square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 square centimeter. How did you know? Remember again, 2 half is 1. So you count this one, this half and this half is 1. This half and this one is also half. So half and half is 1. Half and half is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square centimeter. Now how about this shape? Oh, this shape is quite confusing. Is it confusing? Let's take a look. Now on this shape, we can see some parts. Let's take a look. This one is one full square, but this one is not. This one is very small. So can you see a rectangle here? Yes, we count it as a rectangle. So remember how many rectangle is it? If this is the rectangle, 2. 1, 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this one is also. But what do we have to do? Oh, you can imagine like this part, you put it over here. So it became one full rectangle. If you cannot imagine it, later I'll use different color. Now this one is easier. This one is half of the half of the square, half of the square, half of the square, half of the square. Okay, like this. I try to color it. So the full square color is yellow.